Good day, Sir Blasphemy here for Sir Blasphemy's Travels. We're at the final weekend of TRF. We're hanging out here. We're ready to come see, or you're ready to come see us. And I've got my man Connor. You guys have met him this season.
We've got the bread.
We've got plenty and plenty of chocolate. Look, we've got CBD infused baby dragons. We've got the bars, of course, your favorites. And we've got Connor. Connor will come here and sell you things that will make you happy.
Got the boots on.
That's it. It'll make you, and he's got his boots on.
I got my boots on.
He's got his boots on.
My selling boots.
He's got his selling boots. Tell him about your boots, Connor. Tell him how you sell successfully with your boots on.
They broke, I fixed them, and that's how I'm finna fix y'all's pain with this CBD bar.
Bam. That's what the man said. So here, come see us out here today. Well, you're not gonna be able, come see us next year. Yeah. By the time this video gets up. Come see us next year. You're gonna come here, you're gonna get some chocolate. But if you happen to be here today, well then you haven't seen this video yet, so it won't matter. So there you go. But anyway, come see Connor. Come see Sir Blasphemy. Come see the Florence Market Street this way. This is where we're at. That's right. So come see us. All right, we're gonna do some videos today. You're gonna see more of Connor and me. Let's keep this thing going today. Let's have a party. Here we go.
All right, I'm Connor. I'm the narrator now. I've stolen his YouTube channel. This is my business. And he's now my worker.
I'm now his VIA, yeah, you know that word.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So now I give you the walk around.
There he goes.
I am the narrator.
Go take him to the well, Connor.
I'm gonna go to the meat hall. All right. This is the Renaissance. It's the last weekend. We got the cafe over here. Walking to the meat hall right now. Look at them doing the meat tasting. We walk up. This is my mom. And this is my dad.
What's up?
We got the meat.
Yeah, you're correct too. Not make me whoop your ass, boy.
We got the meats. You gotta come get some. I'm underage, don't tell anybody, but it's delicious. So some doggies out here, everything. I don't know what this place is.
And so we begin the teardown. And this is it, guys, the conclusion of the season. We're gonna hit the road. So the battery actually went dead on Connor yesterday. I've got to get a new GoPro and some new batteries, so this thing's kind of going out. But yep, we're tearing it down for the season. The tear down is about to happen. I'm waiting on Connor to get here, but that's it, guys. It's been a season, so you know, if I saw you out here, it was a pleasure meeting you guys, man. This season, it was an awesome season. Really enjoyed it, and you know, let's do it again. You know, it goes like that. But yeah, that's it, guys. You're gonna see the teardown, and then you're gonna see some scenes from the road. So you got some scenes from the last weekend from Connor briefly, and then you get to see the teardown here. Well, you know, part of the teardown, just view here, and then we're gonna have some scenes from the road, and you know how that goes if you follow my videos. So here we go, guys. This is it, the last huzzah. And there it is. It's all gone now. It's all gone. So there we are, and you can see everybody else cleaning up around. But yeah, it's all gone. Even the mead hall's quiet over there. There's nobody there, but you can see kind of behind the scenes as everybody's packing up. You can see the vehicles and things. So this is it. This is where we conclude. I'm still waiting on Connor hours later, and of course he wants to get paid. But yep, that's it. That's the rundown. Next scenes you'll see is scenes from the road. I'll be on the road here in just a minute, and you guys will be able to check it out. So let's keep moving forward. All right, what's up guys? I am in Big Spring, Texas on the way back home from the Texas Renaissance Festival. And I've already got my room and got the kitties secure. And I'm actually wanting to show you guys something. This is a place where I go and get cigars, of course, that's what I do, but it's a really cool place. I've never seen anything like it. So I'm gonna take you guys in, not inside. I don't think I can bring anything inside, but even if I could, I don't want to risk it or whatever, but I'll pull up to where the cigar place is at. It's one of the most unique cigar places I've ever seen. A great concept and just brilliantly done. But yeah, the first day of traveling's over. I just kind of take it easy and I travel slow and steady. And tomorrow I'll be somewhere in New Mexico. We'll see where we end up. But yep, the first day is behind us. Showed you a couple of shots from the road. You saw a little bit of closing activity from TRF and all that good stuff so far on this video, and what I could show you. And yeah, we're just gonna end the journey, as it were. But tomorrow I've got some more sights to show you, and then the next day I've got some more sights to show you, and then after that that's it. It's all wrapped up, and TRF for me officially will be finally over. Let's see, I gotta remember where this place is at, if I can remember it. I'm actually not using my maps because I came here before on the way to TRF. I've been here a couple of times, but I'm trying to remember. These are the box cars right there, that's them. It's a really cool concept here. Let's see if I can pull around to where you can see them. Let me see if I can just kind of turn this around so they can be seen, so you guys can check this out. Look at that right there. Isn't that cool? Like, so you can go in there, not those old buildings, but right there. That's all a cigar shop, and you can go in there and get cold beers and stuff like that too. It's just a box car. Isn't that cool? But anyway, I'm gonna go here and get cigars. I just wanted to show you guys that. Yeah, that's it. But that's cool. It's here in Big Spring, Texas. If you like cigars, a totally unique place to get them. You should come check it out. But anyway, the next scenes will be more scenes from the road. So here we go, guys. The journey home continues. Guys, there was day 2 of driving, so I'm in New Mexico right now and just a few hours from home. So as some of you guys might know, watching some of the videos, I have my diabetic cats with me, so I kind of have to stop even quicker to kind of make sure they get out and are able to use the restroom, and I can give them their shots and stuff. So anyway, so there were some sights from the road, not a whole lot going on, just the same old kind of stuff. But And there's a kitty talking, but if you guys want to take some sights around the room here, you might catch a cat in there in my mess though. Yeah, just not a very, you know, fancy Best Western. I've stayed at this one a couple times, but it's affordable. It's good to go. What's up, Ari? She's talking. And so day 2 is done. It's in the books. So the next time you'll see me is some views from the road. And I may stop off and see something kind of unique tomorrow. I'm yet to decide. It depends on the time that I get there, but it's kind of cool. I saw it many years ago, and it's kind of a modern marvel, and it's right on the side of the road, so I might check it out. So I might look at it real quick on the way home, so we'll see what happens. But all right, man. So there's day 2. Let's continue the journey home. Tomorrow's the last day. Let's rock and roll. The road to TRF is almost over. Bummer. All right, here we go. Well guys, there you go. It's over. Officially for me. TRF, the road home. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I kind of did a collage of some of the last weekend and closing up the tent and kind of mixed and mingled it in between the traveling scenes and stuff like that. So I hope you guys really enjoyed it. So sorry I wasn't able to get as many videos this season. I had a lot going on. I had to come back home in Arizona during the festival and do some things. And yep, so that's pretty much it, guys. Thanks again for watching. It was absolutely wonderful to meet you guys out there again this season and to even meet more of you that watch these videos. And I'm glad that these videos get to you and they're useful to you in some way and that you enjoy them. So I'll continue to keep making them. But yeah, that's it, guys. So TRF's over for the season. For me, I know it was over at least a week ago for most of you, but for me now it's officially over. And this video here wraps up my journey for this season. So again, guys, thank you so much. For those of you that are new to this channel, please take a moment to like, subscribe, tickle that bell for future notifications from me, and always comment if you can. I always comment back within a reasonable amount of time, 100% of the time. So, all right, guys. So it was an absolute pleasure. I had a blast again. I do every year. And until the next TRF session, I'm out, guys. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you soon. For now, Sir Blasphemy, out.